Elevate your status, unveiling the secrets of rare habits inspired by icons like Don Draper, Harvey Specter, and Bobby Axelrod. In today's video, we're not just scratching the surface. We're delving deep into the rare habits that can transform your appearance and how others perceive you. Drawing inspiration from iconic figures like Don Draper, Harvey Specter, and Bobby Axelrod, we explore 8 uncommon habits that exude high status. So grab a pen and paper because these secrets go beyond the ordinary. Let's unravel the secrets to looking and feeling like a person of influence. The Art of Impeccable Dressing, Harvey Specter. The first rare habit we're diving into is the art of impeccable dressing, a skill Harvey Specter from Suits has mastered. Specter knows that a well-tailored suit isn't just clothing, it's armor. A study from the Journal of Fashion Marketing and Management supports this, showing that individuals who dress well not only influence the perceptions of others, but also experience heightened levels of confidence and performance. So, how can you incorporate this habit into your life? Start by investing in quality clothing that fits well. Tailored suits may seem like a luxury, but their psychological impact on you and those around you is undeniable. Master the art of silence, Don Draper. Don Draper, the enigmatic creative director from Mad Men, possesses a rare habit that speaks volumes, the art of silence. Draper understands the power of measured words and the impact of a well-timed pause. Communication dynamics play a significant role here, as studies suggest that silence can be a powerful tool, conveying confidence, thoughtfulness, and control over a situation. Incorporate moments of silence into your conversations. It allows you to choose your words wisely and leaves a lasting impression on those around you. Remember, silence can be the loudest voice in a world full of noise. The power of unwavering eye contact, Bobby Axelrod. Bobby Axelrod, the charismatic hedge fund manager from Billions, employs a rare habit that commands attention, unwavering eye contact. Axelrod understands that maintaining intense eye contact communicates confidence, sincerity, and dominance. Studies in psychology confirm that eye contact is crucial in establishing trust and conveying authority. Practice maintaining eye contact in your interactions. It's a simple yet effective habit that can significantly enhance your perceived status. Remember, your eyes are potent communicators. Use them to your advantage. Cultivate the art of charismatic listening, Harvey Specter. Harvey Specter reappears on our list with another rare habit, the art of charismatic listening. Specter is known for being fully present in conversations, absorbing information, and responding thoughtfully. Research from the University of California, Berkeley, suggests active listening enhances social skills and fosters more profound connections with others. Emulate this habit by fully engaging in conversations. Ask meaningful questions and demonstrate a genuine interest in what others say. Charismatic listening is a skill that sets you apart in a noisy world. Command attention with a confident walk, Don Draper. Don Draper returns with a habit that radiates confidence, a confident walk. Draper's measured and purposeful stride exudes authority and self-assurance. Studies published in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior highlight the impact of body language on perceived status. Work on maintaining good posture and walking with purpose. A confident walk influences how others perceive you and enhances your sense of confidence. Remember, every step you take can be a statement of your status. Embrace the power of discretion. Bobby Axelrod. Bobby Axelrod's rare habit of embracing discretion sets him apart. Axelrod understands the power of keeping certain aspects of his life private. Research on the psychology of privacy suggests that discretion contributes to an aura of mystery, enhancing one's perceived status. Consider carefully choosing what aspects of your life you share. A degree of privacy can create an air of intrigue and elevate your perceived status. Not every detail needs to be displayed. Some mysteries are meant to be preserved. The strategic use of humor, Harvey Specter. His strategic use of humor amplifies Harvey Specter's charisma. Specter incorporates wit and humor into his interactions, making him more relatable and memorable. Studies in social psychology indicate that humor is a powerful tool for building rapport and increasing likability. Experiment with injecting humor into your conversations. A well-timed joke can break the ice, make you more approachable, and leave a lasting positive impression. Be mindful of the context and tone to ensure your humor lands appropriately. Projecting confidence through body language, Don Draper. Don Draper rounds off our list with the habit of projecting confidence through body language. Draper's poised demeanor and controlled gestures contribute to his authoritative presence. Research from Harvard Business School confirms that strong, positive body language enhances others' perceptions of your competence and leadership abilities. Be mindful of your body language. Stand tall, use open gestures, and convey confidence through your posture. Remember, your body is a powerful communicator, and projecting confidence can significantly impact how others perceive you. These rare habits go beyond the ordinary and are inspired by iconic figures who have mastered high-status art. You can elevate your status by incorporating the art of impeccable dressing, the power of silence, unwavering eye contact, charismatic listening, a confident walk, discretion, strategic humor, and projecting confidence through body language. If you found this video insightful, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, emulate these rare habits and step into the world of high-status individuals.